guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. Okay guys, and please smash the like button. Okay guys, so today I'll be showing you this vending machine. I know I've showed you already, but I'm gonna use different prizes for this. If I've used the same, then I'm sorry, I can't remember. I'll watch the last week's video. Let me get the prizes and then I'll be back. Okay, I got it. And I got the prizes. Whoa. Okay, that flipped. Okay, never mind. So, here's the knob that you slide. Yeah. Let me fill this up and yeah. Okay, filled. Okay, there's my coin. This does not include a coin, as I said. I'm just using a cardboard one, which says 20p. If you see like 60, then sorry. I know my big sister wrote it. She's right. If you there, she wrote it. So yeah, let's try. There, one in. And then this. There, it fell. If you can't see, then let me just take it out.